Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and today I am sharing the best recipe for peanut butter cookies. First, you're going to add half a cup of softened butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of peanut butter to a bowl, and use an electric mixer to cream them all together. Once the sugar and butter mixture is completely combined, you're going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and you're going to beat that up until it's nice and fluffy. Stir in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then add in whatever goodies you like. I like to add half a cup of Reese's Pieces and half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. But if you want, you could add peanut butter chips or peanuts. Just add whatever you like. Use a cookie scoop to put the cookie dough onto a cookie sheet. Make sure to leave room for spreading. I like to put 12 on a piece of Silpat, but if you don't have Silpat, you can just maybe use a piece of parchment. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. You'll want the cookies to be crispy on the outside, but still soft on the inside. When you look at them, you can see the crispy edge and you'll know that they're done. These cookies are so delicious. The Reese's Pieces give a little bit of extra peanut butter flavor. The outsides are crispy. The insides are soft and chewy. This really is the perfect peanut butter cookie. If you like this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Hit that button now. Talk to you next time. Bye.